Here's a quick video of how to crack this thing open. Get a good look at some of it real quick. Now, unfortunately, there's going to be a gap right here at this seam. There's just no other way around it. Let me show you the quick procedure on how to get it open. Let me take this off here real quick. Now, if you take this bottom hatch off, you can guarantee that it will not fire up. But the easiest way I found out is going from the left side. You start from the left side looking at the top, and you carefully just put your thumb in here and separate the two halves like that. Now on the key right here, which turns it on and off, there's that little wedge. I just put the wedge in here like this, and the only reason you should have to do this is to change the batteries. And carefully, you want to slide the top section to the left, just ever so slightly. Might want to hold it open a little bit also. It is tricky, but it works. Till that pin is disengaged, and then just slightly slide it about that much, not even 1/8 of an inch, and then it disengages from here, and you just flip it back like this. That is the easiest way I've been able to find out. That's the magnet that closes it, and that's the magnet you put in there. Then it's very simple. It's two separate circuits, and if you'll notice the orientation of the batteries, these are standard off-the-shelf batteries, but CR2032s, and I just put a little drop of hot glue there just to hold them in place, like for shipping. So when it gets to you, probably be no reason for it. These are the two LEDs that actually flicker for the engine effect. I put a shaft right here, and I was going to put a like a wheel, a hand wheel of some sort on there, like for the hatch. But the chances of it coming off just in shipping would be too much. I didn't have anything there molded to begin with, and this forward section is completely self-contained. And to put it back together, you just reverse it. Slide that on there like that, with a little twist to one side. And this is where you got to play with it a little bit. See how it's not matched up? Let's try matching it up. Push down, and it's a matter of wiggling. There we go. You'll feel it locked down there, and then just release that. Now if you look in here, you'll see my pointer here, a set of contacts. The forward ones are for the headlights and the control room, and the aft ones control that. They're two separate circuits. There's a magnet right there which holds the whole bottom hatch on. This is where it gets finicky. You'll line up the two contacts there. We'll start right here. And it just goes in. Ah, look, it's flickering. But it's only activating one. Do this real quick. Now if you face it forward, obviously it'll look different in real light. The headlights do come on. It's just hard to see it with the light of the camera. And you notice those aren't on yet. What you want to do is take that and just slip it anywhere in there and turn it right about there. Let's see. Got that on. And oh, I touched it. It's very picky, very finicky. And to turn it off, you just take this and turn it completely 180 degrees. And it is kind of finicky. You'll have to tweak it back and forth a little bit. It's the easiest way I could figure it out, short of putting switches in which weren't really working. There's not enough room. But that's how it operates.